Okay, welcome to both of you in the today's session. In the today's session, we discuss about some critical aspect about IoT and Industry 5.0. So before I have one PPT, I will share. There is the theory part mostly, so you can read out that, no problem. But here we discuss some basic point for terms. What is the meaning of the terms? Because both student related to the electronics and communication. So I have now discussed only in the practical scenario. It is very important for who is student under engineering. Either doesn't matter, they are related to the electronics, either computer science, either IT. It is a common for all of student ki what meaning of these terms, these words. So I just write down some basic terms on your screen. We discuss about this, and then you all are both aware ki what is the meaning of IoT, what is the meaning of Industry 5.0. Theoretical part, already you go to the Google search. I have also provide the one PPT. So it is very easy, everyone known ki, this is what is the meaning. But I just here discuss practical portion of related to the these two terminology. On screen, I just write down some basic word. First is the telecom versus IT. Second is that uh, intelligent devices. Third is that telecom versus IT, intelligent device. Third is a smart. Okay, that is a smart. And fourth is one more term today is very popular in the world. Artificial intelligence. Are you know about AI? A.I. That is the artificial intelligence. Okay. So I discussed in this session today. Remaining portion will discuss the tomorrow. So artificial intelligence. Okay. So my question, both are participant, please give the answer. What is the meaning of the telecom and what is the meaning of the IT? In the practical aspect, not go to the Google search, not go to the books knowledge. In the real scenario, what about thing these terms? What is the meaning of telecom? What is the meaning of IT? Yes, who is telling the first? If anybody want to write in the chat box, so definitely welcome. Karthik, you are alone here. Where is the Karen? Karthik, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you aware about the meaning of the telecom? What is the meaning in the telecom?
Telecom, it's uh, it's the process of information exchange, sir.
In IT?
IT, it is it is the entity which allows you to
I just change the question format. Again, I question this question asked to you in another way. Uh, what we do in telecom and what we do in IT?
telecom. Yes, sir. We set up some machines so that informations can be exchanged. IT is maintaining the information database and other resources.
Okay. So I just explain in the very simple mode terms your exam answer. In telecom is nothing. In telecom, there are two people communicate via communication. Again, I repeat, in the telecommunication, there are two people, either I and you. They dialing from one person to another person, telephone number, either the landline, either a mobile, and talk to each other. This is the telecom. Okay. But in the today scenario, in the current time, nobody want to talk to each other. You are lucky. Currently, you have no aware, well aware about what is the dialing of the number. Okay. but upcoming time nobody dial to number each other. They are directly go to the Facebook, WhatsApp. A lot of platform is available. WhatsApp, this is also one platform. In this platform, you sending each other via the picture, video, multimedia communication. So this is also communication, but this is not known as the telecommunication. This is known as IT. In the simple terms, in the today scenario, the new version of telecommunication is known as IT services. In IT services, that is the we can do sending, like a Zoom is a very good platform. This time you can listen to me, you can see to me, and also what I writing on my computer, you also see. So this combination is also part of the communication, but this is known as IT infra. So simple word, in the today era, there is no any telecommunication. Telecommunication completely modified in the new version, and this new version is known as IT infra. In IT infra, we just required hardware and software. We are well known about this. Okay. So if anybody asking what is the telecom and what is the IT, a very simple word. The new version of telecommunication is known as the IT services. In the old, any traditional telecommunication, we can communicate only the wires. After some day, sometime we added some additional feature like SMS, value-added services. But now in the today, every communication system will be completely changed. Okay. The first now we can more explore about the first point. Now second point is the intelligent devices. Are you know what is the intelligent devices? I just asked to you, are you intelligent? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It's relative.
Why you are intelligent? Just tell me.
Because we can think and all.
Okay. Suppose you go to the market, purchase one fan. Okay. Shopkeeper welcome to you, and he reply, welcome Mr. Karthik. I have three types of fan. One is the normal fan, second is the intelligent fan, and third is the smart fan. So my question is that in the normal fan, are you know fan? That is the fan or
Yes,
air.
sir.
Okay. So in the normal fan, what is the feature in the normal fan? What is the feature in the intelligent fan? Can you explain now?
Normal fan, we can control it only manually, the speed and all. But the intelligent fan, it will adjust its speed of rotation by the surrounding temperature or such physical measures, sir.
Okay. So I explain more, very well answer, but I explain some more addition in your answer. Intelligent, meaning of intelligent is the very simple. In the world, everything, either human, either any devices, that will be intelligent if they have two things. One is the sense, one is the sense, and second is the memory. Okay. So you have sense and memory both. Okay, because I'm saying something, you can sense and you can memorize. So you are intelligent. As per God gifted, your sensor is high, your memory is high, you are extra intelligent. Okay. So same manner, normal fan, you are excellent answer. Everything, power supply on off is the manually, rotation is the manually. Okay. And their speed control is manually. But in the intelligent fan, there will be implemented one sensor and memory chip in your intelligent fan. You can control by the remote. Help of the remote, you can control speed, power on off of fan. So that normal fan is, there is no any remote system is available. Everything going manually. And intelligent fan, there is remote control. Help of the remote, you can every operation may be handled by you. Okay. Now the next question, smart. Are you smart? Yes or no? You are intelligent, no doubt, because you have sense and memory. My next question, are you smart? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Again, explain why.
Because I can implement properly using implement things properly using my sense and memory.
it may be additional feature in intelligent. You just more add on. Okay, no problem. Uh, uh, Today engineering is the very normal, easily every student maybe join engineering college, no problem. But in my time, 1994, 1995, that time not easy to join any engineering as engineering. University of Roorkee, currently known as the IIT Roorkee, that time in my time, a separate exam will be there. So I just qualified that exam and go to the University of Roorkee. Very first day, every there are 90 students, different branch, but that time engineering in some different level. So they first day, very first day, all students uh, uh, assemble in the same room, same seminar hall. So just I realized here ki when any faculty not come in the classroom, but all 90 students come across India, some student from south, some student from the north, all are very definitely all are intelligent, no doubt. But I in the classroom I just sat down backside. I realized one student in my classroom, when there is no any teacher, he just stand up and go to the every table and try to the talk each and every one. So in my inside white, he is very over smart. Okay, this is inside my mind. And same time I realized one another student that sat on a corner, but don't talk to each other. So I have same another invoice in my inside. He is duffer, he is donkey. So answer is here. If more communication, that is the over smart. If not communication, that is the duffer, that means the dumpy. So in smart is nothing. That is the intelligent, and that both things is available plus communication. That is the communication. Okay. So a smart is nothing. My mobile, a smart fan, that fan may be connected to the internet in the across the any location of the world. You can control that hand, that devices. Okay. So my phone is a smartphone. That means this phone will be a smartphone only when internet facility is available in my phone. Otherwise, this is normal fan. It may be intelligent, no problem. But it for example, at your home, a smart TV. Suppose you are purchased a smart TV installed at your home, but this TV will be smart when it connected to internet. Otherwise, this is normal television. Okay. So upcoming era is nothing in the future. Suppose I just a smart classroom. Somebody tell ki my classroom is a smart classroom. So meaning of a smart classroom is very simple. Every devices in your classroom, like tube light, like fan, like board, uh, every device is connected to the internet. That is smart. So upcoming time is IoT, Internet of Things. That is nothing. A smart connection of the smart devices. Okay. So what is the meaning of a smart? A smart is very simple plus communication. So hopefully now Karthik aware what is the meaning of a smart. So I request to you become a smart, not go for over smart, not go for duffer. Okay.
Yes,
In the today one more thing, AI, artificial intelligence. Everybody discussion now. Now era is AI. So now first three are already implemented in the world. Intelligent, smart, and normal. Now, what do you think about AI? Any idea about this? Shivam Sharma, are you there? Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you know? Okay, Karthik, you can explain, please. Are you know meaning of the smart AI? Are you know understand AI?
Artificial intelligence, sir.
I know artificial intelligence. Karthik, are you there?
yes, sir.
Are you aware about these terms? Yes or no? First tell me.
Yes, sir. AI and ML.
Okay. So what is the meaning of AI? In AI, just give the simple example like my phone pan. So what possible in AI?
Google Assistant, sir. Google Assistant, Siri.
Okay. Karthik, you can explain because Shivan just coming, so you are not aware meaning of the intelligent smart.
Yes,
As per our discussion, Karthik, if I'm telling as per our discussion, Shivan just give the answer. Okay, so he is a smart either over smart. Karthik, as per our discussion,
he's smart, sir.
smart because he communicate. Okay, thank you. Now you tell me, yes, about AI, Karthik, please.
Yes, sir. In the fan uses its sense, memory, and its previous what we can call as experience to recommend the preferred action in the room.
Okay. Suppose I just add on your answer and more clear. Suppose suppose you purchase new laptop and make first time Gmail account, and first time in your new computer or laptop open browser and type www.youtube.com. Okay, everything going for the very first time. So by default, YouTube channel, your computer, they are not aware who are you and what is your interest. So they openly by default YouTube open the some website. But as per our routine, I just daily searching about IoT. Okay. So when next time open the YouTube on your computer, so by default, your computer YouTube showing IoT related video, and one more option will be there, recommended video.
Yes,
because
sir.
he auto sense from you. This is AI.
Yes, sir.
Artificially auto sense. Okay. So in the normal fan, this is a just if AI fan, suppose the AI fan. In the case of AI fan, what possibility? Okay, at every midnight you just close your fan. So next time, if AI implemented fan automatically, that will be closed. Okay, auto sense. Not you in a normal intelligent devices, yeah, either a smart devices, you manually fix sleep mode, but AI auto sense. Okay, so auto sense feature will be there. So IoT is the nothing. Upcoming era, industry 4.0. IoT is nothing. IoT, every devices of the world connected to the internet. Okay, number one. Number two, industry 4.0, 5.0. So 5.0, that different issue. In the 4.0, every devices, self-driving car, auto sense applicable will be implemented in the industry 4.0. So upcoming time, definitely industry 4.0. So this is the basic description of my some terms in the today session. Tomorrow, hopefully, I will be join on time, and you are also all your format maybe join on time, and we discuss some more from the PPT. What is the IoT and additional some more. Okay. So any doubt, any question, Karthik, you can ask, and Shivans, I will share this video from starting to till time. You again watch this video, and tomorrow again join at 15 p.m. For the continue the remaining part of my session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thank you for
Yes, sir.
today. Any question? Yes, Sharma. बताइए शर्मा जी. शिवांश बोलो.
नो सर नो सर नो सर मैं तो सर 15 मिनट से लेट हो गया सर बीच में के पावर
No
कट थे
problem, no problem. Actually, I already recorded this video. I'm sharing your group.
यस सर यस
Okay. Yeah, I say I'll share in the group. No problem. You can listen, and tomorrow continue PPT from the main agenda of the course. Okay. So have a nice day. Thank you for today.
थैंक यू सर यू टू सर
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.